Today's brands are becoming oversimplified, so why not give Mr. Beast's brand a makeover? First up, we have Feastables, one of his chocolate companies. It has bold and bright colors, but I'm gonna strip it down to make it more minimal. First, let's take a look at one of their popular bars. It's called D's Nuts. We've got, a couple different logos going on. We've got some bold text. We've got some like little icons here. This little splurge of chocolate coming out. We've got some little details at the bottom and then sort of like this pattern at the back. So I reckon we can just simplify this. First up, I'm going to drop in that logo there and I'm just going to make it really small. I'm going to drop in the orange color. I'm going to drop in the Mr. Beast logo. So we've got the logos there. Made it extra small to just give some space. Now, I don't know if I want to add the bar logo there. You can see it's got a trademark, so the main logo is the Mr. Beast bar. I'm going to drop in some chocolate and I'm going to drop in some peanut butter. I'll bring it to the back here and let's see how we want to place it. Now we need to sort of have a nice icon and some text there to fit it in within the space, so we've got to figure that out as well. We'll drop in some text here. I'm going to put the text on 2 lines because it's nice and short and it will fit in the space. I ended up finding this really cool icon that I'm going to use for this little badge on the bar. And I'm going to drop that into there. I'm going to add some shadows just to make everything pop a little bit more. Add some shadows to the chocolate as well. It's looking a little bit flat. A few final touches. I'm going to add a small color block at the bottom just to separate some of the parts there. And there we have it, a more minimal version of the Mr. Beast bar. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what your thoughts, the original or the more minimal version. Next up, we've got Mr. Beast Burger. Now this brand is fun, it's retro, and one of these bags for their packaging is really cool. It's really interesting. It's got like the feel the logo. It's got like the mascot illustration in the back, and some cool text like sticker type of effects. I'm gonna drop in the Mr. Beast logo here. Now let's drop it right at the top somewhere like that. Now on their website they have these floating chips. I want to add that as part of the packaging. I think that would work nice. So I'm just going to save this real quick. I'm going to drop it into Illustrator. I'm going to image trace that. Hopefully it does a good job. I'm going to select this and we're going to make a pattern just like this. And let's play around with these. Awesome. Let's just go cover the whole bag. Why not? Now I want to change the color of it to the Mr. Beast red, that red, nice red color. Awesome. And let's multiply that. Bring this logo above that. That's looking pretty good. Let's throw on a good subscribe button somewhere there. And there we have it, a simplified version of the Mr. Beast Burger bag packaging. Let me know in the comments on what brand you want me to recreate next and design it in a minimal style.